It's my Wi-Fi.
Yeah, but you're not the only one using it.
Hello mga master. May kasabihan tayo, walang perpektong tao o walang taong perpekto. Sa mas madaling salita, lahat tayo nagkakamali. Lahat tayo nagkakasala o nagkakaroon ng kasalanan sa ibang tao. Ano ang gagawin mo pag nagkaroon ka ng kasalanan dahil in-off mo lang ang sarili mong wifi sa loob ng sarili mong bahay?
Thank you. Fast Rappers finally got the legendary SMG. I was so damn close to that Royale I've been craving for 6 whole months, and you turn it up.
Alam natin sa panahon ngayon, ang daming na-addict sa online games. Hindi lang sa mga laro. Marami na rin ginagawa ang hanap buhay ang social media, sa online class, sa job interview. Kaya't halos lahat ng bahay sa Pinas may kanya-kanya ng wifi. Mga master, bawat tao may kanya-kanyang ugali at pananaw sa buhay. Kung kayo ang nasa kalagayan ng may-ari ng wifi, ano ang gagawin nyo sa mga ganitong senaryo?
Sorry, what?
Now
What do you mean it's my Wi-Fi? It's my Wi-Fi.
Yeah, but you're not the only one using it, are you?
You just told me you're using my Wi-Fi. What for?
To get Victory Royale! That's the whole point. I drove to Tomato Town. I have been training myself for 6 entire months. I have been training myself for 6 entire months.
You've been training yourself for 6 months, yeah?
Yeah.
And I've been paying for this for like 6 whole months.
Yeah. Exactly.
Baka mga master, masyado lang tayong mapanghusga. Kung mapapansin natin, baligtad ang kanyang suot na damit. Siya kaya ay mentally fit? Ano ba sa palagay nyo? At kinikilos at reaction nito.
Your shirt's inside out, mate.
It is not inside out. Thank you. This is properly how I wanted to wear it. It's a fashion statement, if you must know.
It's a fashion statement.
Yes.
Great fashion statement.
Mga master, hindi man pinakita ang tao sa video na ito, pero mataas ang respeto ko. Mataas ang respeto ko sa tao na meron na mahabang pasensya. Lalo sa mga ganitong senaryo. Kaya niyang kontrolin ang kanyang sarili. Napakahaba ng kanyang pasensya.
I've had it for 6 months. I made it clear. I left things at your door for this, and you haven't had a problem for the past 6 months.
Yeah, because I didn't know that you were using it. That's like me saying like, can I use your Xbox?
It's not an Xbox. This is not an Xbox controller.
Alright.
It's a PlayStation 5. There is a difference. There has been a console war, my friend.
Xbox, GameCube, I don't care, mate.
This isn't even the same console. And you, in my moments of triumph, you turn it off. Why?
Mate, are you alright?
Am I alright? Do I look alright to you?
No, you don't. Calm down. What do you want? Why have you come to my house?
I want you to turn it back on.
The Wi-Fi? No, why am I going to give you the Wi-Fi? Get your own Wi-Fi.
Why?
What do you mean why? Because I paid for the Wi-Fi.
You are testing my patience. No. Call me Xbox one more time, and I swear to the gods, this controller ain't gonna be the only thing broken. Go on. Test me. Come on.
What is it, an LG cookie?
You have 5 seconds to run.
Open ko lang sa inyo na ako mismo sa sarili ko ay addict din ako sa online game, especially sa MOBA game. Sa katunayan, nalilito ako kung magla-livestream ako ng laro o maggagawa ng content na makakadagdag ng kaalaman at awareness sa bawat isa. Naniniwala ako na maaaring makatulong sa bawat isa. Kaya mga master, kung nagustuhan nyo yung video ko na to, mag-subscribe lang po kayo at suportahan nyo ang ating channel para patuloy ako magawa ng mga ganitong video. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Maraming salamat po sa panonood.